Welcome to this short overview of the CloudBolt Cloud Management Platform. In the next 2 minutes, you'll see how CloudBolt helps teams build, manage, and optimize any cloud resource. Let's start with the self-service catalog. CloudBolt gives users instant access to cloud infrastructure, application stacks, and automated workflows, eliminating IT bottlenecks. Every item in the catalog is powered by a CloudBolt blueprint, which defines how resources should be provisioned with governance built in from the start. Before launching a workload, users can view cost previews, compare deployment environments, and see only the options their role is allowed to select. Role-based access control ensures platform teams predefine sizes, networks, and policies, while end users simply choose what they need and submit the order. Approvals can be automated or routed to systems like ServiceNow. As the order runs, CloudBolt chains automation steps to provision resources quickly. Users can optionally watch each step, from server creation to monitoring setup to software installation, giving full transparency into what's happening behind the scenes. Next, let's look at resource management. CloudBolt unifies visibility across clouds, like AWS, Azure, VMware, and more. Users only see the resources they have access to within their group, and ownership determines what actions they can take. Selecting a server shows its details, status, and day 2 actions, such as power operations, configuration changes, or scripted tasks. These actions are completely customizable, enabling IT teams to offer safe, governed self-service throughout the lifecycle of a resource. CloudBolt is also built for extensibility. The platform uses Python-based automation, making it easy for cloud teams to tailor behaviors, add custom inputs, store metadata, or integrate with external systems. As an example, UI extensions allow teams to bring data from monitoring tools like Prometheus or other APIs directly into the CloudBolt interface for centralized visibility. In just minutes, you've seen how CloudBolt enables governed self-service provisioning, cross-cloud resource management, day 2 automation, and best-in-class extensibility. Visit us at www.cloudbolt.io to learn how you can build, manage, and optimize any cloud faster, smarter, continuously.